Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your environment, install NET7 or later, and create a new C# project. Next, obtain your OpenAI API key and set it as OpenAI API KEY in your system environment so you avoid hardcoding secrets. Then add the official OpenAI NuGet package or plan to use HTTP client for REST calls. Once done, scaffold a simple program. CS that reads the key, initializes your client, and prints a quick connectivity test that proves your credentials and network are working. Now implement the request and application flow. Authenticate your client with the environment key and choose chat completion versus completions depending on dialogue needs. Set model, max tokens, and temperature explicitly. Serialize your request using system, text, JSON, and send it with HTTP client or SDK methods while passing a cancellation token to manage timeouts. If you need progressive UI updates, consume the streaming response and append chunks. Otherwise, await the full response and deserialize it. Make sure to finish, parse the response, and map the return choices to your domain objects or UI elements. Validate content before display. Deploy small tests and simulate errors so your retry strategy, exponential backoff for 429 and transient 5xx, works reliably. Log usage metrics and lock down the API key in environment or secret stores. If things go wrong, check for mismatched model names, exceeded quotas, or missing scopes. Reproduce with a minimal request, then increase complexity once stability is confirmed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.